When I was a young boy, I never met any real live magicians. The only magic I ever got close to was out of books, and in those days Stars of Magic was my Bible. And until I had read Kangaroo Coins, I'd never heard of things like coins to the table or the other methods that the professor taught in that routine. And although it's well known, perhaps we might review it. It's a routine that's done with 1, 2, 3, 4 coins. You can use half dollars, silver dollars, quarters even, 4 coins and a glass. And the idea is to find a soft spot in the table. You bring the glass under the table, you look for the soft spot, and a coin comes right through the table and lands in the glass, leaving us just 3 coins in this hand and 1 coin that actually went through into the glass. So let's see if we can do that again. And the second coin goes right through, leaving us with 4 coins, 1 glass, and a table with a hole. 2 coins in the glass, 1 coin in the hand. Look for the soft spot here, over here. And one more time, 3 coins in the glass, and only 1 coin left. Now you watch this last coin very closely. 3 coins left in the glass. 1, 2, 3 coins in the glass. The soft spot, very slowly, and 4 coins go through the table.
You're doing very, very well.
Now we might, thank you, Professor, I might just go over the method for a second. Use any 4 coins. I'm using Canadian silver dollars, Professor, the old silver ones that we can't find anymore. Probably coins that you used to practice with. And you place the 4 coins in so that, as the professor says, the 3rd coin should be in the classic palm position and the 4th coin further down, so that when you close the hand, the top 3 coins will be held in, but that 4th coin will be free to fall out of the hand. And the hand is held right at the table edge, and you literally turn over the hand and let that coin fall. As the hand turns, finds a soft spot, the glass is shown. At that precise moment, the misdirection is to show you mention 4 coins, and then you show the glass and the empty hand. The glass goes under the table, is held between the legs. The hand reaches back, picks up the coin on the lap, holds it above the glass, and when you do this move of pushing it through the table, the coin is allowed to drop into the glass. So that takes place. That's coin number 1. You then state that whereas you had 4 coins before, now you'll have only 3 coins. And in so doing, you steal a coin. This is done by holding the 3 coins, and that center coin, if you just loosen up your grip, that center coin will slip into the finger palm position. As you pick up the 3, 2 are thrown in. The spectator can't tell whether it's 1 or 2. The remaining coin is dropped into the glass. The glass goes under the table, and once again under the table, as this hand does the pushing through, this hand, the right hand, drops the coin in, showing 2. For the 3rd coin, that's where I first learned about scoop lapping, or the scoop move. Let's just put the glass aside. The coins are stacked 2 by 2 with the glass in the center, but the top coins are pushed a little towards the center, towards each other. And the left hand is going to lap this coin here by simply holding on to the coin on the right of the 2, and with the bottom 3 fingers scooping this coin onto the lap. And now both hands move at the same time, and really you have only 1, and the bottom coin has fallen to the lap. Once again in the lap, the right hand reaches back. Sorry, at this point you drop these 2, it goes down over the table, this coin is dropped. That is the passage of the 3rd coin. Now in my opinion, the real genius of this routine was the professor's handling of the last coin. At this point, the heat is really on. They're watching you like a hawk. They're going to catch you on the last coin, they hope. You've just poured the 3 coins out, and as you pour the 3 coins out, the glass is placed over here to the left. You tell them to watch this last coin, and it's placed very cleanly in the left hand. Now the left hand is going to move back and just drop the coin in the lap. But the excuse and the perfect misdirection for moving back and lapping that coin is the glass is over on the left. You've got to go get that glass. And what more natural is you come to get the glass and to move the left hand back to make a passage for the right arm. So 1 is placed in the hand, 3 coins are picked up, dropped into the glass. You show the right hand very clear. At this point, the coin is gone, and once more under the table, the last coin is dropped into the glass. Kangaroo coins, Professor. That, you were telling us, was named by your son as well.
Little boy, 7 years old. He says, Daddy, kangaroos jump. Why don't you call it the kangaroo coin?